How to restore deleted photos and videos in Android. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up your gallery application. Now tap on albums. Now tap on recently deleted. Now tap on three dots. Now click on select. Now select the photos and videos you want to restore. Now select the photos. Now tap on restore. Now click on restore. Now the next method is go back to the home screen. Now open up Google File Manager. Tap on Files. Now tap on the three lines at the top left corner. Now tap on Bin. Now select the photos or videos you want to restore. Now tap on Restore. Now click on Restore to Files. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.